Hey guys, welcome back. You watch one random meme and suddenly your feed goes crazy. Let's reset it. Open your YouTube. Now go to the history. You will see an option called history. Just click here and now just click on three dot option and you will see an option called clear all history. Just tap on here and just now click on clear watch history. That's it. And now, whatever video that you have watched previously is now deleted, and you won't get any more recommendation like that. If you want your feed to come back again like a normal, just click on short, go back and forth. Just tap on like and go back, and now just make it refresh, and now you will see that your feed is now recovered again. When you start again, only watch what you actually like. The algorithm will build around your taste. And it's like clear your rooming. And it's like clearing your room, but for YouTube. If it helped, you know what to do. Hit subscribe button and like button, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.